It does not matter which vaccine you take. What is important is vaccination of maximum number of people so that we are all safe now and in future. Hi, good morning. I am Dr. Sushila Kataria, Director and Head, Department of Internal Medicine, Medanta, the Medicity. Currently, we have 3 available vaccines in India for COVID-19. First one is Covaxin, second is Covishield, and third is Sputnik. Covaxin is developed by Bharat Biotech. It is based on the principle of dead inactivated virus. Once the inactivated or weakened virus goes into the system, it stimulates or simulates the infection and produces immunity. Covaxin is given in 2 doses and the 2 doses are 4 weeks apart. Second vaccine is Covishield. It is a vector vaccine, which means on the adenochimp virus vaccine, to which human body does not have any immunity. The RNA for spike protein is mounted over it and it goes into the system. So it is called an vector vaccine with adenochimp virus. It is also 2 doses and the 2 doses are to be separated by 12 weeks. Sputnik V is the latest vaccine which has been introduced in the Indian market to prevent COVID-19 infection. This is also a vector vaccine, but how it differs from Covishield then? So it uses 2 serotypes of adenovirus, serotype 5 and serotype 26. That means with each dose there is a different kind of adenovirus vector. The first one and the second one are not identical. The 2 doses are separated by any time between 3 weeks to 3 months. Sputnik is coming up with a single dose vaccine which is called Sputnik Light, which may also come in the market very soon. Then it would be a single dose vaccine. Another single dose vaccine which is not available in India but may come is Johnson & Johnson. All the 3 vaccines which are available for prevention of COVID-19 in India are safe and efficacious. It does not matter which vaccine you take. What is important is vaccination of maximum number of people so that we are all safe now and in future. There has been a lot of talk about the difference in the gaps between the Covaxin and Covishield. People would like to know why it is so. It is because of the basic difference in the science. Covaxin is based on the tried and tested model of inactivated virus. It stimulates your body in a different way. Covishield, on the other hand, is a vector vaccine, which means that you take a totally inert adenovirus, which can be adenochimp virus in case of Covishield, and you mount the spike protein RNA on it and send it into your body. So after the first vaccine, the body develops some immunity against the vector. In studies which were done in UK, it was found that people who were vaccinated at a longer gap did better in their immunity. So the gap of 3 months between 2 doses is the ideal gap in case of Covishield. Whether in case of Covaxin, it should be 4 to 6 weeks only. Countries like US, UK, China are vaccinating expectant mothers against COVID infection. In India, so far we do not have sufficient data to support or to negate it. But the side effects of COVID vaccine are so small that in near future this may be cleared to be used in pregnant women also. Currently, the vaccines which are available in India are cleared for use in people above 18 years of age. Clinical trials are on in the younger age group, and in very soon, once the results are available, children may also be eligible for taking COVID-19 vaccines. Mix and match of vaccines, which means you take one vaccine as first dose and another type of vaccine as a second dose. This is a matter of research. Trials are already going on in UK. Currently, as per ICMR and Ministry of Health guidelines in India, mix and match of vaccines is not allowed. Till the time we have sufficient information on this topic, mix and match should be avoided. But due to any reason, if somebody takes it, it may not produce any serious side effects. The effect on immunity is to be studied. The whole vaccination program against COVID-19 has been started just 1 year back. So we have a limited information of 1 year. So far the information suggests that after full vaccination, the immunity stays for 1 year. Future will only tell us how long further it stays. Do we need revised vaccines or any booster doses? The main purpose of vaccination are two. One is to prevent infection from happening, and second is to reduce the severity. And all the vaccines currently available has passed these two criteria. But in spite of vaccination, we hear people getting infected. There could be multiple reasons. First could be that the person gets inoculated with the virus before the immunity is built. That is, within the period your body is building immunity and you got infected prior to that, so that immunity is insufficient to protect you from the infection. Second, and a rare possibility could be that some people, because of their age, because of some medications they are taking, or because of their immune compromised condition, they are unable to make sufficient immunity. That's why people get infected and get a serious infection. But the number of those people is a small fraction only. Everybody should get vaccinated, and immunity will help preventing either infection or severe disease. After recovering from COVID-19, your natural immunity protects you against further infection from COVID-19. Our experience for last 1.5 years tells us that the reinfection rates are very, very low. So it is now recommended that people who have recovered from COVID-19 infection should take their vaccines after 3 months only. There is also a research to support that after infection, even a single dose of vaccine may be sufficient to protect you for a long time. People with comorbidities like hypertension, diabetes, obesity, malignancies, HIV, liver disease, kidney disease, and other problems are more prone to get severe COVID-19 infection. So these people are more likely to be benefited by COVID vaccination. They must take vaccination, but even after taking vaccination, a COVID appropriate behavior must continue always. Wear your mask properly, social distancing, and hand hygiene.